So the last tab that's really important to us and for our class is the Slideshow tab. This tab will let you actually review your slideshow, and when you're ready to do your presentation, this is where you would present your presentation from. So when you click on the Slideshow tab, you have all these little options here. So you've got Start Slideshow, Setup, and Monitors. We are only going to look at this Start Slideshow section. So when you're ready to do a presentation, there's two ways that you could present your slides to your audience. The first way is from beginning. So now if I click on from beginning, it will start my slides from the very beginning. And if I hit enter, I could do my presentation. And this will move my slides from one to the next. Or if I could also do my slideshow from current slide. So what this means is you could start your presentation from whichever slide you wish. It doesn't have to be the first one. So say for example, you want to start your slideshow with the second slide. For whatever reason, you click on that second slide, go to from current slide, and you will see that your presentation will now start from the second slide opposed to the first slide. And if you hit enter, it will just flow the same way. Or you could do it from second slide, and if you hit your arrow keys, you go back to your first slide, and you could use that as well from that current slide. So you have two options when you do your presentation. You could either present it from the beginning if you are doing your presentation from the beginning, or if you maybe had to stop your presentation for whatever reason and continue it from a different slide rather than the first slide, you could always highlight that slide and then hit from current slide. And that is the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. That is all that we would have to know for our class, for our purposes. I mean, the other tabs they're kind of a review of what we had done with Microsoft Word. If you click on review, all these functions should be familiar to you from Microsoft Word. Same as view, this will let you view your slides in a different way. Right now, this is the normal setting, so you'll have your slides out in a pane, and then your main slide will be up front, or the slide that you're working on will be up at the front. You can have your slide viewed as a slide sorter, so this will show you all of your slides. Then there's notes page. You could have your slides like this, so your slide up top and then your notes at the bottom if you have any notes. So these are just the different ways that you could view your presentation.